In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Taobao not sending login codes 2025 step by step. If you're stuck waiting for a verification SMS that never shows up, follow along and we'll walk through practical checks that usually solve it. Start by confirming the phone number you entered is correct. Include your full country code, remove any extra spaces or symbols, and make sure the number is still active and able to receive SMS. For example, if you're in the Philippines, use the format +63, followed by your number without the leading 0. A small formatting mistake is one of the most common reasons codes don't arrive. If everything looks correct, give it a moment. Codes can be delayed, especially during busy times. Wait 1 to 2 minutes, then tap Resend Code. Avoid tapping repeatedly in quick succession, because too many requests can trigger a security block and delay things even more. Next, check your connection and signal. Verification messages rely on a stable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which path works better. Restart your phone to refresh the network stack and, if possible, move to a spot with stronger cellular signal. If you still don't see the message, look inside your spam or filtered folders. Some phones or carrier filters automatically sort unknown senders. Make sure your device isn't blocking messages from unknown numbers, and temporarily disable any SMS filtering or blocking apps while you try to log in. If Taobao offers it on your account, try an alternate login method. Email verification, a password sign-in, or a linked Alipay login can help you get in without waiting for an SMS. Choose whichever option is available to you on the login screen. Keep your app up to date. An outdated or glitchy app can interfere with code delivery. Update Taobao to the latest version from your app store. If the problem persists, delete the app, reinstall it fresh, and then try logging in again. Turn off any VPN you're using. Some verification systems flag or throttle requests coming from VPNs or unusual regions. Use your normal internet connection and attempt to log in once more. If none of these steps work, reach out to Taobao's help center, contact customer support, and explain that you aren't receiving verification codes. Ask for manual verification or help with account recovery so they can confirm your identity and restore access. Follow these steps in order and you'll cover the most common causes quickly and safely. Thanks for watching and good luck getting back into your account.